Looking to buy a house in a rural area of Kentucky? Welcome to the Kentucky USDA Rural Housing Loan Program. This video is your roadmap to achieving zero-down homeownership with 100% financing for Kentucky families. Checkpoint 1 focuses on location eligibility. The good news is that 97% of Kentucky is eligible. This includes many suburbs and subdivisions, not just farms. Generally, properties just outside city limits qualify. Checkpoint 2 is the income gate. The 2026 limits for gross annual household income are $119,850 for 1 to 4 people and $158,250 for 5 to 8 people. Note that higher limits apply in Boone, Campbell, Kenton, and Gallatin counties. Checkpoint 3 is the credit scoreboard. The standard minimum credit score is 620. If your score is 640 or higher, you are in the fast lane with automated approval. Below 620 requires a strict manual review. If you don't fit the perfect mold, compensating factors act as a safety net. These include cash reserves of 3 months saved, job stability of 2 or more years, and a low debt-to-income ratio, showing conservative credit use. Checkpoint 4 addresses property type. Exciting for 2026, single-wide homes are now eligible. For both standard homes and single-wides, the property must be a minimum of 400 square feet, manufactured in the last 20 years, and never moved from another site. Checkpoint 5 covers the money math, specifically the debt-to-income, or DTI, ratio. The target ratios are 29% for the housing ratio and 41% for the total debt ratio. Childcare costs are excluded from this calculation. Student loans, even if deferred, are factored in at a 0.5% calculation. If you need a boost for closing costs and prepaids, KHC Assistance can provide up to $12,500. This is a repayable second mortgage with a 15-year term. Income limits apply per county, and a minimum credit score of 620 is required for government loans. Another option to help with costs is seller concessions. The seller can pay up to 6% of the purchase price. This covers prepaids, title costs, and origination fees, keeping cash in your pocket for moving day. Don't navigate this process alone. Joel Lobb is an expert guide with over 20 years of experience. He specializes in mastering the GUS automated system, navigating Kentucky eligibility, and structuring down payment assistance. Your keys are waiting. For a free eligibility analysis, you can text or email Joel. Contact information is provided on the screen. Take the first step toward homeownership today. Call or text today with your mortgage questions to 502-905-3708.